If you want to experience the solitude of South Greenland, you'll need travel no further than Ipiutaq guest farm. In fact, you're far from the crowds here. The population is only 3, but when you arrive, you'll be welcomed as family.
From 2007, we welcome guests, yes.
Yeah. What's their reaction?
In general, they like this place because they feel far from the stress they have, and it is they are looking for when they're on holiday. And they like the mix of culture, French and Greenlandic. What we are doing here, we choose it. So maybe we choose this life, this way of life to feel free.
So guests who come here will be coming to a working farm. This is a stable.
Yes, right now it's empty, and in a few weeks we will begin to collect sheep.
Are you saying the sheep, they roam free and then you take all the sheep in here and separate?
Yes, they are all mixed in the nature.
Okay.
You can actually stay overnight here in one of the guest houses, which have beautiful views, and you're treated like part of the family. You'll dine on local ingredients prepared in a Greenlandic and French fusion, probably the only place in the world you can dine this way.
So now we're in the kitchen of your home,
Yes.
and you've made this beautiful presentation.
The food I serve to our guests when they come here, it's always based on French recipes. I use what I learn also from the other women here around, from the Greenlandic cooking, and I use the products from the nature.
It looks wonderful. It looks gourmet. I'm sure it's the best restaurant in the area.
We left Ipiutaq guest farm with a full stomach and the warm feeling of family. Our travels would take us further along the fjords to explore more of South Greenland.